Okay.
Huh? That's right. Picture coming July 2013. Okay. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Huh? Really?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh.
Merry Christmas.
I can't believe it. Wow, it didn't take long. I told you guys that Chris got good swimmers. It didn't take long. Oh, thank you. I'm so excited. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's awesome. Oh, what did she bring too? Oh my God.
We decorated them.
Did you?
Yeah, they're just plain frames, and we bought stuff and decorated them.
When did you find out?
Thanksgiving, actually.
Really?
Yeah,
My fingers were a whole month.
I know. It was really hard.
Not from me. Oh my God, Dad.
I am 9 weeks and 3 days.
You're 9 weeks and 3 days.
I'm due the day after your birthday,
Really?
July 26th. Yeah.
Due the day after my birthday. Wow, it's gonna be happy birthday too. Mom's gonna have to come down there.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna be in Cincinnati pretty soon next summer. Oh, and you have a place for me.
Yep.